If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. What's going on, folks? It's MrBucketlist here, and today I'll be presenting everything food on Pride of America by NCL. Let's check it out. This video will be a full showcase of all the different meals and all the different food venues on board, and that's going to include the main dining rooms, the buffet, all the different complimentary items, the specialty dining, and also the room service. In these videos, there's not going to be much commentary, but I will say this: the food on the ship was good. I actually liked how they had like a Hawaiian style to most of the meals in the buffet. Everything else is pretty much NCL standard food. So I hope you all enjoy this video. There are timestamps if you want to jump around. Also, if you have not seen my playlist for my Hawaii / Pride of America playlist that I have here on YouTube, please check my channel for it. I have a lot of different videos coming out, from a full ship tour to I already have a room tour, a full cruise review, I have excursion reviews. All that will be in that playlist. So I hope it helps out, and I'll see you soon. I want to thank everyone that made it to this portion of the video. I really appreciate it. But I do want to address something. I usually get nasty comments when it comes to the buffet portion of these videos, so let me go ahead and address it. For those who said I'm panning too fast or moving too fast in this buffet, you all have to realize this is a live functioning buffet. Norwegian Cruise Line, or any cruise line for that matter, does not give me special access during these buffet sessions. I literally have to find my way to sneak my way in and record while this thing is open to the public. If you've ever been on a cruise ship, especially during a welcome lunch, you already know that people do not give a F. They will move you out the way. It's like horses at the trough when it comes to this food on the buffet. So just keep that in mind before you start leaving me comments saying, oh, I'm moving too fast and stuff like that. I was trying my hardest not to get trampled. If you don't like this portion, just go ahead and click off the video and keep it moving. I'll see you soon.